Spread a little happiness, spread a little bit of happiness. It ain't hard to see all that's going wrong. I know it's far too easy now to sing sad song, to sing sad song. Yeah, lying on the ground never help no one. When you get knocked down, you know that you gotta get back up. Gotta get back up. Oh, we gotta look on the bright side. There's never been a better time. Spread a little happiness, spread a little love. It only takes a little bit, but it'll be enough. When the world is cool, turn your gray skies blue. It's up to me and you. Spread a little happiness, spread a little happiness. When the water's right, then there's no dry land. And your brother cries for you to lend that
Sabi
help.
ko lang sa'yo, pagkaliban ikaw ng maraming taong kalakasan para sa mga mahal sa buhay. Happy birthday!
So, masasabi ko, sana lagi kang malakas at sana mga travel pa. Last year, nasa Boracay tayo, ngayon, nandito naman ako. Sobra akong nagpapasalamat at hindi mo ako nakakalimutan sa bawat journey na dumating sa buhay mo. Yun lang po, at sana lagi ka talagang malakas para sa buong pamilya. Thank you so much. Happy birthday.
You gotta look on the bright side. In the middle of the darkest night, well, we can make the sun shine. And we spread a little happiness, spread a little love. It only takes a little bit, it'll be enough. When the world
Birthday, Alma! Wow, ang ganda-ganda ni Alma. You deserve, di ba? Welcome sa 20% discount ng mga senior. Wish ko kay Alma good health and tuloy-tuloy lang yung kanyang power nap tuwing tanghali.
Happy Alma, happy birthday. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Ang bait mong kaibigan. Love you.
Itong mga chocolates po na to, nagre-represent doon sa mga bigat at pinagdaanan mo sa buhay mo, no? So, kaya anim siya, no? So, ang wish ko lang, na-reach mo yung 60 years old. So, sabi nga nila, may bilang ang buhay. So, be happy lagi, no? So, ayun lang.
it'll be enough. When the world is cool, turn your gray skies blue. It's up to me and you. Spread a little happiness, spread a little happiness. Come on, y'all. Look on the bright side, never a better time. Look on the bright side to make the sun shine. Look on the bright side, never a better time.
Kasi lahat ng blessing na natatanggap mo alam ko karapat dapat kang matatanggap mo. Kasi, lahat ng humihingi ng tulong sa'yo open palette ka nagbibigay sa akin. So, yun, happy birthday.
Spread a little happiness, spread a little love. Spread a little happiness, spread a little love. Whoa, it only takes a little bit, it'll be enough. When the world is cool, turn your gray skies blue, and it's up to me and you.
Salamat po sa
sa family ko, tapos sa dental section, Marikina Health Office, sa mga kasumba, sa mga batchmate, sa mga kaswela ko ng elementary, sa mga kumpare ko dyan. Hindi ko na kayo isa-isahin. Maraming pong salamat. At sa mga batchmate ko ng Roosevelt Namuan, yung batchmate ko ng Pamantasan, yung batchmate ko ng Parang Elementary School. Maraming pong salamat.